Pineapple farming and its 3 years duration. Yes, you got me right. Pineapple takes from 18 months to 34 months for it to get ready. So if you're planning to start a pineapple farm or you're a pineapple lover, this video is just from you. According to the data from the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, Africa produced over 3 million tons of pineapple in the year 2023, and you'll be wondering how did they get to produce these, considering the fact that to produce pineapple it takes 3 years. Like in 3 years, most probably you want a fast system of farming, something which is very fast. But if it's this, I will not advise you to go for it. But if you're looking for something which is for long term, yes, farming, we always have short term farming and we have long term. A short term farming is 3 months. We have things produced 3 months like maize, corn, we have peanuts, which is also known as granite. Those are some of the few crops that can just take 3 months, 90 days. But with these, yes, it means they can give birth to a baby. The baby even starts talking without you harvesting this pineapple. So what does it take to start this pineapple farming? What are the advantages of it and what are the disadvantages? Despite the fact that pineapple is well loved by everyone, how do we manage? Come with me as I explain this to you in a detailed analysis. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Share my videos so that others get to have this knowledge. I believe you love pineapple, so come on, grab a seat and let's study what pineapple is all about. Yes, one of the things you need to know is that pineapple is produced in Africa, and one of the countries with the most highest production is South Africa. South Africa, followed by Kenya, followed by Nigeria, Cameroon. Some countries don't even get to. So if you're in this country, if you're in South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Cameroon, yes, you're able to grow these fruits. You're able to be a producer of pineapples. Yeah. So there are different things people can grow it here in Africa, and it's this from this my farm here. You can see how it's growing and how it's advancing. So how do we start? How do we get the seeds? How do we analyze the cost? Just like any other fruit, pineapple seeds can be nursed. Yes, you can get to nurse the seed if you're a pro, but if not a professional, you can just get to buy. There are people who own specialty is just to nurse the seed and sell to new farmers. Now it's for you to discover them in the specific country in which you are. So please just comment in the country in which you are. So pineapple, a seed is less than $1. I cannot say it's more than. I don't want to use naira. I don't want to use CDs or any other. I want to just use dollar because I believe from it all of us can identify in our various countries. So this pineapple here, if you see at this stage here, it was already a year and 6 months. A year and 6 months, and is still at this stage, it's not yet ripened. So it's for you to know that pineapple is a farming that requires a lot of perseverance. If you are not strong enough, don't even start it. Because the person who even planted cassava will harvest before you. A person who planted yam will harvest before you. The person who planted maize will harvest before you. The person who planted peanut will harvest before you. But why do we still go in for pineapple? We always quote it as pineapple is a perseverance farming. It's a perseverance. If you don't know how to persevere, do not even go into it. It's preferable you just sit at home and do your peanuts and every other. But pineapple have so many advantages and can be sold in a dimension that you don't want to expect. To harvest this farm at the end of those 3 years, somebody can stand in 3 years time and make about let me know, not to exaggerate, but something like $100,000 is a small. For you, it might be, but convert it to your local currency. Do you know what is $100,000? So that's how big it is. So cost of hectares is there, cost of a mini hectare is there. In our next video, I'll try as possible to bring the analysis of this cost. In this 1 year, we had a lot of work to do today at the farm, and it's a little bit stressful and it's challenging, and it's our efforts, trying to do this. At times you feel discouraged, at times you just want to put in all the efforts to the farming, but I will advise everybody going for this to have perseverance and all that. So just click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and in the next video concerning this farming pineapple, I will bring you the analysis, perfect analysis. You can't wait, you know my analysis. Come on, I'm going to analyze from the beginning to the end at the type of fertilizers used, if it requires herbicide, and how many times you can harvest it after the 3 years period. Everything you just need to know will be embedded in the next video. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, share to your loved ones as we keep working together. And next video is loading in less than 48 hours. I'll bring you the analysis of pineapple. What do you want to know? Just comment on the video. Thank you for watching.